Hello, hope you people are doing well. So let us start without further delay. The word of the day, any guesses? Yes, this is the word. You can see this one? Didactic. Didactic. So we can use these synonyms of the word didactic. So you have to check how many words you know about this word, and you can also check what are the words you can use it for various sentences to say something about tutorial or academic or dogmatic. You may use some sort of a uh, admonishing, advisory, moralistic. These are the synonyms we are using for this word. If you look at that very closely, some of the sentences we can use it with this particular word. If you look closely, because we have many synonyms and we may use the word. The tapes were entertaining. Tapes were entertaining and didactic. Entertaining and didactic. And they both amused. Maybe they amused for children to learn something, or maybe they're instructed to play, learn, or whatever it is. You may use it. Some examples you can look at here. Uh, I want to show you the examples are like the tapes were entertaining and didactic. They both amused and instructed children. His style was didactic, often patronizing, and jokes were thick cut. The set text was a Greek didactic poem. So these are the some examples of the word didactic used in the sentences. Of course, antonyms are like, we are using the prefix like undidactic or unenlightening. And this kind of the antonyms are there, and you may use a negative tone for that particular meaning. So you can use it for this one. Okay. So see some examples now. Uh, uh, yes, just a minute, and I'm just doing this twice to share with you. Yes, this is the one you can use it. Okay. So instructions are pretty clear. Just use that the word didactic, instructive, advisory, tutorial, teaching, scholastic. Some of the meanings about this, we have many. Out of that, as per our requirement, we can use it as per the situation. The tapes were entertaining and didactic. They both amused and instructed children. So here the purpose is tutorial or giving some sort of the instructions to learn something, understand something by the particular learners, aspirants. His style was didactic and often patronizing, and the jokes were thick cut. The set text was a Greek didactic poem. So happy learning, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.